Hi there, it's Mark here again.
And Rob on the other side.
And it's also Rob here again. And what are we here for, Rob?
We are here to introduce a speed challenge from
Pool Boys RC.
RC.
The Pool Boys RC 2026 Speedrun Challenge.
Yeah.
And we're going to talk a little bit about what we're doing in the challenge.
Yeah.
And also, very importantly, we're going to show you how fast this Subaru Brat on the ORV chassis in totally stock form.
Apart from the torque tuned motor.
Oh, you got me, Rob. I put a torque tuned motor in, I forgot. But basically, it's pretty close to stock. It might go what, 1 or 2 miles an hour faster than the standard Mabuchi. So we're going to speed test it for you. In fact, a bit of a cheat, really. We already speed tested it about 3 years ago, didn't we? When I was quite a bit younger. I think I was only 60 then. And you were a lot younger.
I was.
Than me, even. 16. But
what battery did you use?
I used, I can't remember. I think
3 years ago, I would reckon it would be.
I think it was a NICAD, not a NICAD. I'm not that old. I am that old. But
you are.
Yeah, I think it probably was a NICAD. We'll check, guys. I'll put when we do the speed test of this, I'll put it on the screen so you can see what it is. But other than that, it's totally stock with ball bearings, which we are allowed.
Yeah.
Let's just talk a little bit about the rules then, Rob, because for the speedrun challenge for the last 4 years, I think it is, there's been 3 classes. So you could have brushed on 2S and NIM. You could have brushless. I think that was up to 3S.
Up to 3S, yeah.
Loads of mods on that. You have to check out the rules later. And then you could have open, where basically you use the chassis, but you could do
anything.
Sky's the limit, basically. But this year, Phil has got a new, what we're hoping is basically a cheaper option. Open to like loads more people, hopefully. And hopefully won't be going quite as fast, so won't be quite so tricky to find somewhere to run it. And that class is what we're going in, Rob.
It is, yeah.
And it is the stock class. So basically, I don't think you virtually can't do anything to the chassis, but you can put ball bearings in, that's for certain, and you can change the motor, but it's got to be, Rob,
no more than a 15 turn closed can.
Closed can, so yeah, no adjustable timing, guys. It's got to be closed can, and I'm pretty sure it's got to be a 540, but there will be another rules or the rules video coming out soon that hopefully, Rob,
will clarify exactly what you can do and not do.
I think Phil's asked us to help out, so Rob and I will be doing a Q&A, which will be on Phil's channel, hopefully in the short future, or in the near future, I should future, in the near future, so keep your eye open for that. But we better get on with this video, haven't we, Rob? Yeah. So you're running the
Frog.
Because it's the ORV chassis, so Frog is one of them. Obviously, the Subaru Brat is another one. You've got the Monster Beetle, so you've got the bigger wheel options, and these are the small wheels. And you've also got the Blackfoot dude, which is also a bigger wheel in it. So I think the gearing's different on the two different, the big wheel and the small wheel chassis dude. These actually come with 3 gearing options, and I have put the high speed set in this, which I think is the 19 tooth pinion. I can't remember what the spur is.
No, not
but yeah, 19 tooth. I think it's 16, 17 and 19 tooth. Not sure. I think the Monster Beetle's a 10 tooth pinion. I'm not sure. No, totally different gearing, guys. But again, check out the future upcoming rules video, because all that will be clarified what you can and can't use between the different sets of chassis. Anyway, let's get on with this one then, Rob.
Yeah.
So let's cut to a much younger me and a much younger you, seeing how fast this little beauty can go in stockish form. Cool. Let's stick the speed meter on 0, Rob, and see what it'll do. Oh yeah, before we start, what's your guesstimate? What's your estimate?
17.
17? I'm hoping for 18. Fingers crossed. Right, let's get this show on the road.
Hopefully you can see that it's saying 0, dude.
Yeah, it's on 0, but we don't cheat anyway.
No.
There's no reason for us to cheat, is there?
No.
You ready, Rob?
It's only a bit of fun, isn't it?
Yep. Let's see what's closest in. There we go. You ready?
Just about.
Okay. Oh, she's nice and smooth, Rob.
Yeah.
I can actually steer mine as well. There's a story about that, isn't there, Rob?
There is.
There she is, flat out. Whoa, how smooth is that?
It does sound really smooth, dude.
So the motor's not even running yet, is it?
No.
Lovely and straight, isn't it? Look,
Yeah. Ooh.
nice and straight.
I lost you.
Yeah. Should we bring her in?
Yeah. Woohoo! And we have.
And we have.
I can't see. Ooh.
Oh, no way. Can you see it, Rob?
Probably can, yeah.
24 mile an hour.
Wow.
24 mile an hour.
I can't see the 2, mate. I thought it was 14.
It's 24. I swear to God, mate, it's 24 mile an hour. I cannot believe that.
No.
Watch this. Ready?
Hang on.
Ready?
Yep.
Oh, this is wheel spinning. So there you go, you just saw it. It was a lot faster than we expected. Well, what do you guys think out there? I bet you guys didn't think that this would hit 24, did you? Even with the torque tuned in it.
No, I certainly didn't, did I?
Most buggies, they're about 18, aren't they, Tamiya buggies? So it's pretty darn quick, straight out of the box. Okay then, so back to us then, as we mentioned earlier, Rob. What are we going to do, Rob, for our videos?
We're going to do a race-off. We don't really care about any of the other contestants.
No, we don't care how fast anyone else is going in the stock class or any of the class.
We don't even mind if Phil disqualifies us.
We're going to watch it, honestly, we'll be watching all the videos, see how fast everyone else goes, but all we're worried about is our own little race-off. So in each video, we're going to basically run against each other. So Rob, your crappy little frog's got no chance. It's going to get done by the Brat dude.
Nah, you're going down, dude.
What do you mean I'm going down?
Going down.
You got that poxy little frog, it's not even green. This is a proper coloured blooming
Lovely
ORV.
pink.
Look at that. So yeah, we're going to have a right old beat up fisticuffs battle along the way. So I hope you guys join us on that. So the last thing to say really is good luck to everybody out there that joins into the 4Boys Speedrun Challenge 2026. Whatever class you're in, have a great time. Number one thing is to remember, this is all about fun, guys. So go out there and have some fun.
Number two thing is be safe, dude.
Good point.
Both me and Mark at the minute are sporting injuries on our feet.
Oh, me like my ankle.
From having cars run into us at full speed.
Yep, and it bloody hurts, guys.
It's done off.
Be careful out there and have a good time. All left to say, Rob, is
thanks for watching.
Hope to see you on the next one, and bye for now.
Bye.
Bye. It's sound recorded, Rob.
It is.
We are recording. Poor Boys RC.
Yeah.
Tamiya. Speedrun Challenge.
Yeah. Because Phil hasn't sent me a t-shirt. So.
Oh yeah. 2026.